2007 Saleen Heritage Edition, otherwise known as an H-281. Low miles, less than 10,000 miles in this car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, and again, confirmed miles, 9904, I believe the odometer reads right now. 60 of these made, H-281s, 2007. Only 6 of them in grab or orange though, and this is actually the only one with the exact options that it has from Saleen. There is a letter of authenticity. Some other things I'll get into that you can see in the still pictures. First, let's take a look at this fascia. This is number 47. Of course, powered by a 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. It also have Michelin Pilot Super Sports on it. Of course, the Saleen wheels, Saleen interior. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Included in the trunk is also the original Eagle 1 detail kit that would have came with this, the Cobra lug wrench, window sticker, and again that letter of authenticity. Couple spots right back here I want to point out had been touched up just a little bit on the bumper. See those two small spots. Of course, this look harkening back to the 70 Boss Mustang, or 69 in this case with the C stripe. And again, still pictures. Check out the underside of this car, extremely clean. Interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, check out this interior a little closer. I'll fire it up too so you can hear it run. Pull that key a second. So of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You do have power driver's seat, and you can see the seat not showing hardly anywhere at all. What you'd expect with the kind of miles that this one has on it. Remember that clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, less than 10,000 miles on this car. That is the Saleen leather seating surface. Does have the Shaker 500 stereo system to it with the 6 CD changer, FYI. There's your exact miles. Was it 9904? Dash in good shape. AC definitely blows cold. Headliner, rest of the rest of the seats, all in good shape. Also want to let you know there is floor mats that are in the trunk, just like brand new. It doesn't look like they've even been used in the car. They're the 281 floor mats. You'll see those in the still pictures. Get an idea how it sounds. Nice little rumble coming out of that V8. All right, I'm going to slip around to the front here. Let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open and show you some things.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so underneath the hood, see how clean it is. Obviously, this car has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Now, some of the things besides, obviously, the wheels, your suspension components, racecraft, lowering springs and shocks, sway bars, front and rear. Saleen is going to modify the car that way, so those have been changed since it was Ford. You're also going to notice a red pulley down in there. That would be a Saleen pulley. Then there's a couple other upgrades or on here, I should say, more of a cosmetic thing. These covers, those would be after the fact. Strut tower cover after the fact. And then it also has the hood struts rather than the prop rod. And a nice setup there. And again, what you'd expect with the kind of miles this one has on it. Sounds good, looks good. Fun car, one of only one the way this one is equipped. Check out that letter of authenticity, otherwise number 47, the 2007 Saleen Heritage Editions. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call in or email.